Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a popular product in the world of wigs, the Honey Blonde 13x6 Deep Wave Lace Front Wig Human Hair. This wig promises to deliver a natural look with its deep wave texture and HD transparent lace, designed to fit a wide range of occasions. Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. The Honey Blonde 13x6 Deep Wave Lace Front Wig is made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian human hair. It boasts a 13x6 lace frontal that offers a lot of versatility with its deep wave texture. The wig is glueless, making it easy to wear without adhesive. It's soft, breathable, and designed to be non-sticky with minimal shedding, ensuring a comfortable fit. The lace is HD transparent, designed to blend well with various skin tones, giving it an almost invisible look. This wig is also 200% density, making it thick and voluminous, and it's made with a 12A grade deep wave frontal, so it's durable and free from split ends. You can style it into a ponytail or a bun for versatility. The cap size ranges from 21.5 to 22 inches, and it comes with adjustable straps and 4 combs, providing a secure and comfortable fit for most head sizes. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. In terms of comfort and ease of use, the cap size is adjustable, which is a great feature. It's easy to put on, and the wig feels secure without being too tight. The deep wave texture is beautiful and holds up well to styling. I tried wearing it in a variety of scenarios, from casual days to special events, and it worked just as well in each case. It definitely has a wet and wavy look when styled that way, making it perfect for more glamorous or relaxed looks. But it's not without a couple of drawbacks. While the texture is beautiful, it does require maintenance. It's important to keep it moisturized and detangled to avoid frizz. Additionally, while the cap size is adjustable, it might not fit every head size comfortably, so if you have a larger head circumference, it may feel a little tight. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: made from high-quality, unprocessed Brazilian human hair. Soft, breathable, and non-sticky. HD transparent lace that blends well with different skin tones. 200% density provides a full, voluminous look. Versatile, can be styled into a ponytail or bun. Adjustable cap with combs for a secure fit. Cons: requires proper maintenance to avoid frizz and tangling. Cap size may not fit all head sizes comfortably. The lace can be a bit delicate, requiring careful handling. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that other wig enthusiasts can find this video. Let's dive into whether this product is worth your hard-earned money. In terms of value for money, this wig sits at a higher price point. However, the quality of the hair and its versatility make it a solid investment if you're looking for a long-lasting, natural-looking wig. Considering the 200% density and 12A grade, it offers a premium feel that you won't always find in lower-priced wigs. Comparing this to similar products, there are other wigs in this price range, but they often lack the density and the HD lace. Many cheaper alternatives can feel a bit too synthetic or lack the same level of versatility and styling, so in this case, the price is somewhat justified for the quality you're getting. As for build quality, the materials used are solid. The lace is soft and blends well, but you'll want to be careful not to pull on it too harshly as it can tear. With proper care, this wig can last for quite some time. Customer support-wise, there hasn't been much interaction required from my end, but from the brand's reputation, they are known for good service. If you do run into any issues, you can expect decent support. So, should you buy it? If you're looking for a wig that's natural-looking, easy to style, and offers great density, then this Honey Blonde 13x6 Deep Wave Lace Front Wig is a solid option. It's perfect for those who love versatility in their hair looks, but if you're not willing to put in the maintenance effort, it might not be the best fit for you. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this wig, the link to get it is in the comments box below. Let me know if you already own this wig, or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Goodbye till next time, and remember, stay stunning with Beautyistic.